Hi folks, my neighbor wanted to repair a stair. I have never done this before, but why not try it? Here you can see how poor the shape of the stair was before. They are also built at a weird angle. It's like a 50 years old house, and the stairs will be the same age. There is nothing interesting to see on the other side of the stairs. Some parts are really weak and loose, as you can see. Other parts look strong. So I washed them with a pressure vessel. It removed all the loose pieces. And then I started to build them out. First, I cut the board to the shape of the future stairs and used some scrap pieces to make the front faces of the stairs. It is held in place just by the weight of those bricks. I won't use any steel bars, as the stairs will securely hold on the old ones. Now it's the time for the concrete. But because my garden is wilderness, let's check what lives in the mixer. It's not as bad as I expected, just a single wasp. So let's mix the concrete. I used ready-mix bags, just added recommended amount of water and some plasticizer to get nicely soft mix. You cannot add more water than is recommended, it will ruin it and it will never get strong. I didn't pour all the stars at once, it has few reasons. First, it was a way harder job than I expected it to be. And second, I ran out of concrete. The third problem was, and this is a good recommendation for you, I started from the bottom and I was unable to get to the upper stairs. Of course, always keep your nails nice, even when you're doing a job like this. Here are the stairs almost finished. I was just short of one bag of concrete, so I have to do this part separately. Now, when the stairs are done and cured for 2 days, well kept wet, it's time to disassemble the mold and check how it's turned out. Side panels are screwed to the facing boards and to the old concrete base of the stairs. It's far from perfect, but I'm happy with it. These stairs shall last for some time. The front faces are not nicely compacted. I should do it better. I was hoping to match in the soft concrete mix, but as the stairs will be covered with tiles, as these are, it's not a huge issue. So I hope you can do your stairs better than me. Remember to start at the top. Good compacting is required even for the soft mix, and it's always more work than it looks. This was 40 bags of concrete and a wheelbarrow of bricks to fill the biggest voids, otherwise it will be way more concrete. Here are some close-ups of the finished stars.